All right, we just got our black stone put together. Now let's season it so we can get it ready to cook. Get your scrub poppy. So now that we've cleaned it off with water and soap, we're gonna crank the heat on and turn it on, throw some water on it, let it burn off of it, and then we'll start our oil. Look for the water. Okay, we're gonna do our first coat of avocado spray. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do the second coat of this. Almost done. Didn't get to finish the edges off, but it's good enough for now. You get the gist of it. Oil, spread it, let it cook off. Repeat it until the entire stone is black.